Put the side plate 1/2 inch less than the overall height of the post and the header. Mark the first hole 1 foot up from the bottom of the side plate, and mark additional holes every 2 feet. Mark 2 holes 3 inches down and 2 holes 6 inches down from the top of the side plate. Use a 5/8 butterfly bit or a hole saw to drill these holes carefully. Go through one side of the side plate and foam. Do not puncture or dent the back side of the side plate. Take into account the direction of the seams on the side plate when marking the holes. Place the side plate so it's centered on the post. Attach it at the bottom of the post using a number 14 by 3/4 inch sheet metal screw. Use a level to make sure the side plate is centered and plumb on the post. Use number 14 by 3/4 inch sheet metal screws in each hole to finish attaching the side plate. And repeat this process for the other side of the post and each additional post. Install the 5/8 inch plugs in the holes.